Welcome WBP Stars in Utrecht. I'm Ollie Schuiling, chef and owner of restaurant Kasteel Heemstede in Houten. Today we're going to make a few dishes. One of my favorite dishes in the menu is North Sea crab. We're going to make it with some goose liver, a little bit of caviar, rhubarb and oyster. So 4 main ingredients. Let's start with the crab. First of all, you need crabs which are very good in the quality. I prefer North Sea crabs. I always get them alive. And what we do is cook the big scissors separate from the smaller ones. So first we're gonna cook the crab. Let's go. We separate the crab legs from the head. The perfect way to cook crab, in my opinion, is to cook it at 72 degrees in very salty water. So we normally we do this every lunch, every dinner, fresh. So we make the water around 72 degrees. It's 73, so that's perfect. And then the crab goes in. And we put a timer on like 5 minutes. So after the crab is cooked, you will see, because we do it on 72 degrees, that especially the meat is very tender and still very glazy. So for me, the perfect way to cook the crab. You see it almost falls apart because the egg whites don't have any chance to set. And that's the perfect way for me to cook crab. Look how tender it is. It's almost shining through. Really falls apart. So that's the first step basically. So next step is we fix the crab and we make a small salad out of it. Of course we check it that we don't have any bones inside. Then we fix the salad with a little bit of apple. Just got a small brunoise. Not too much, otherwise it gets too sweet. Brunoise we add, and we use a little bit of fresh lime and some lemons. We add a little bit of smoked mayonnaise and a little bit of crème fraîche. And you see already how light and tender and how beautiful crab is. So that's in the end how we make the crab salad. So now comes the most exciting part, is plate the dish. So we start with a crème with some duck. Then we have the crab salad. Then also in the side dish we make a little bit of crab salad. And a little bit of pickled cucumber to give it a little bit of crunchy taste. Then we have like a jelly. It's like a crab jelly also. Like a crème fraîche. It's also smoked. A little bit of citrus. This is with some calamansi, just to break a little bit all the fatty taste from the beurre blanc later. So now we top it off with some Imperial Heritage caviar. Then we have some rhubarb foam. And there we have some beautiful herbs from our garden. Yeah, a little bit caviar. And at the side we have a sauce with some crème fraîche. And this is how we serve it. Goose liver, crab salad, rhubarb, Imperial Heritage caviar. Please enjoy.